Well, since everybody is here, I just want to know how's the Josh? Not like Code Mafia. How's the Josh? Wonderful. So let's hear it for everybody who has made Code Mafia happen. A loud cheer for all the partners, all the players, the referees, all the organizers, the coach, everybody. Let's hear it for Code Mafia 2.0, guys. Okay. Any guesses on how many categories we had? Don't look around. Start counting. Kitne categories the? 8? Are you sure? Well, let's hear it once again because this is the maximum number of categories that has happened in the holy land of Thane. Let's hear it for Code Mafia 2.0. Okay, how many teams played? कितने teams खेले आज नहीं 3 दिनों में 5th को 11th को 12th को कितने teams खेले? Any guesses? 100 150 कितने बैग्स आपने देखे? सबको बैग्स दिए गए. कितने टीम्स खेले? Okay, let me tell you, there were more than 220 teams. Wow, that's a big number. How many matches? Any idea? कितने मैचेस हुए? अपने गिन लो कितने मैचेस हुए? 410 matches, a total of 320 hours of solid pickleball. Let's hear it for pickleball. And friends, I don't want to count the cash prizes. This is, I think, the biggest cash prize that has been given ever, I think, in Mumbai and Thane. So let's hear it for Code Mafia once again. Okay, a few important people to thank. We start with Landmark Cars. I think the wonderful Jeep and the Citroen car standing out there. I hope someday the pickleball man of the tournament gets a vehicle like this. Okay, but today let's thank Landmark Cars. A big round of applause to the team. Mahindra 9S, what a wonderful car. I wish I can own one day. The hospitality partners at Bay, Shraddhesh, Siddhesh, Vihar and the entire team. The wonderful wraps and the juices and the punches, they were there cooling us, making sure that our tummies are full so that the energy is there on the court and outside as well. Alright, do you see these trophies? I think first time I am seeing such a big trophy in any sport other than cricket. Normally cricket has big trophies. So let's hear it for Print Bazaar, Mr. Rupesh. Is Mr. Rupesh here? Oh, he's here. Oh, kya baat hai? Oh, his rep is here. Right. Okay, we had Dr. Rupali who was making sure every player was fit and fine and rocking on the court. So Rupali, Mrs. Rupali, Dr. Rupali, Physio Care, thank you so much for taking care of everyone. Thankfully, there were no big injuries. In fact, we saw somebody return magically out of injury, out of nowhere. So we talk about that a bit later. Okay, the hydration partners, Bisleri, they made sure that we were all hydrated. Love all the academy partners, they were spotting some scouting as well, and they were, I'm sure there are two best emerging players to be given soon. Aira Wellness, Dr. Gauri, a peak performance partner. Health Factory, the tournament hampers. Did you guys love the hampers? How many of you didn't get it? किसको नहीं मिला है?
झूठ बोलता है.
किसको नहीं मिला है?
झूठ बोलता है.
हाँ, वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री को तो मिलेगा ही नहीं. तुमको बड़ा वाला मिलना है. Alright, so let's hear it for the tournament partner, tournament hampers, Health Factory. So Gravinode and White Era, they were the flavor partners. So they खोल के किसने देखे? Wonderful cheese there. We had kombucha, all of that. We're going to enjoy a bit more going ahead as well. So Mr. Nerav and Shalin, thank you so much. Did you guys enjoy the gameplay today? The courts were fantastic. Okay, sometimes I am wondering how many layers are beneath me, but there are like 9 layers court. So the court partners, and we have Chowdhury smiling as well, Pickle Adda, and every doubles game needs a good partner, right? A good court needs a good partner, and we had a wonderful ball partner in Specton. The balls were very true in the bounce, they were slow, they were making sure that they were there. It lasted long. The only time we had to replace the balls when they were going and flying here and there. So Specton being the ball partners. Well, not a single ball broke in the entire tournament. क्या बात है? एक बार जोरदार तालियां. नॉर्मली जब हम इवेंट करते हैं, बड़े बड़े इवेंट होते हैं, बड़े बड़े शहरों में बड़े बड़े इवेंट होते रहते हैं, लेकिन लोग छोटी मोटी चीज़ें भूल जाते हैं. लेकिन आज और ये इवेंट में जो एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में सोचना है वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, एंड I'm hats off to Court Mafia once again. First time in a pickleball tournament we are having a green initiative partner, We Green. Did you see the wonderful selfie booth? That's not only the selfie booth that is to be there. Please make sure that you decorate the lovely earth as well and with some green. And the courts are also wonderful, so courts should also be around a little bit of more green. Well, did you guys enjoy the caravan standing out there? How many of you are going to book them right now? So we had the caravan experience partner, Van Trippers, Hema Thakkar, Pratik Bhagat, thank you so much. I'm going to book them very, very soon, right? Well, we had, if you need money to play pickleball, and if you need money to go on a trip, and you need advice for it, they also have the financial consultant. So we had APT, Hema ma'am is here. So let's hear it for APT, who are the financial consultants. The beverage partner being Nova Churro. I think Vaidhi is not here today, but hats off, what a wonderful work she is doing in Pickleball Thane. Bucket list holidays. और अगर ट्रिप वैन के लेके ट्रिप पे नहीं जाना है और आपको किसी और को सौंपना है, so we have Sojas and team helping us plan our wonderful holidays. But problem क्या है दोस्तों मालूम है? हर वीकेंड पे टूर्नामेंट है, तो ट्रिप प्लान करें तो कभी करें, लेकिन जरूर करेंगे. Right, Sojas? And that is what they are well known for. We also like to thank, I think, the D Parker Live and team. Wonderful streaming. Let's hear it for them. क्या बात है? Where are you? Ma'am is here, and I think sir is also somewhere. Let's hear it. Anybody who wants to do events and want to book them, you can check with us for their contacts. And a big thank you to Amateur Pickleball Association of Thane for their wonderful support, making sure that players are taken care of. And I think it's a newly formed body, so make sure that all the tournaments that are happening, right, make sure that you take the right advice and the right consulting from the association as well. Well, that's so many people to thank. और एक बड़े इवेंट को करने के लिए इतने लोगों का हाथ लगता है, लेकिन मैं 3 लोगों का नाम लूंगा, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, उनको बुला ही लूंगा. So let's hear it for the real Court Mafias, the 3 musketeers of Pickleball Thane, Chirag, Yash and Nishan. Let's hear it for them. And before we proceed, I just want one of them to say something to make sure that this event, जो दिल की बात है बोल दो. अच्छा, ओके, मी प्रश्न विचारतो, चिराग तो उत्तर दे. आता कसं वाटतं?
छान छान, बरोबर वाटतंय.
बरोबर वाटतं की गार
आता वाटायला जाऊ.
एनिथिंग? मी कन्व्हिनियंटली आय इग्नोर दॅट वन. I said I conveniently ignored that one. Okay, thank you. All right. So Chirag, just in short, I know we'll speak a lot. Anything about the tournament, the 3 days?
It is all because of people who are standing here, players, the sponsors, the community. This event, people are traveling from Mumbai here. Rohan is with us, Mayank, Tushar, rest others. We had 8 teams coming from Mumbai, 8 categories. As we said, 220 teams. It is all because of you all that gives us energy to do better, and we assure you that Court Mafia 3.0 will be much bigger and much better.
क्या बात है. Okay. And पिकलबॉल प्लेयर्स को एक चीज पता है, सबसे डिफिकल्ट चीज क्या है? पहले तो पार्टनर ढूंढना, उसके बाद पार्टनर को प्रैक्टिस के लिए बुलाना, और अगर एक टूर्नामेंट ऊपर नीचे हुआ तो पार्टनर के साथ बने रहना है कि नहीं दोस्तों? बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. एक बार शादी के लिए पार्टनर मिल जाता है, लेकिन पिकलबॉल खेलने के लिए पार्टनर नहीं मिलता है. लेकिन मैं एक सच बताना चाहूँगा आपको. एक शख्स यहाँ पे मौजूद है जिन्होंने लॉयल्टी को अलग ही लेवल पे लेके गए. ओके, and it is none other than our esteemed guest, Mr. Deepak Jadhav. 35 years of serving this wonderful area, the wonderful ward, and with one party. I think today a lot of things that we hear, that people switch parties, people go different places, but sir, hats off. तुम्ही जबरदस्त काम करतायत आणि आमच्यासारख्या छोट्या लोकांना, आमच्यासारख्या खेळाडूंना तुम्ही सपोर्ट करताय. याच्यासाठी जोरदार टाळ्या व्हायला पाहिजे. आणि आम्ही आमचं भाग्य समजतो की तुम्ही आज पिकल बॉल ठाण्याच्या या मंचावर आणि कोर्ट माफियाच्या या मंचावर आम्हाला तुम्ही साथ देण्यासाठी आल्यात. सो एकदा जोरदार ताल्या. आणि सर काय वाटतं तुम्हाला आज पिकल बॉल हा गेम नवीन आहे, ठाण्यात खूप प्रसिद्ध होतोय, मुंबईत तर झालाच आहे, इंडियामध्ये पण होतंय आणि असोसिएशन पण बनलंय आता आणि खूप प्लेयर्स आपल्याकडे जुळलेत. म्हणजे तुम्हाला कसं वाटतंय?
खरं म्हणजे मी आज पहिल्यांदाच या कार्यक्रमाला उपस्थित राहिलो आहे. सरांशी बोलत असताना मी त्यांना शेअर केल्या काही गोष्टी की म्हटलं सध्या हाच खेळ सध्या जोरात चालू आहे. आम्ही एके ठिकाणी कार्यक्रमाला होतो, क्रिकेटच्या प्राईज डिस्ट्रीब्युशनला होतो आम्ही खारेगावला टर्फमध्ये. तर त्यावेळेस आमचं असंच विषय झाला की यापुढे भविष्यामध्ये पिकल बॉल जोरात चालणार आहे आणि तो आता पिकअप घेतोय ठाण्यामध्ये सुद्धा. आणि तुमच्यासारखे जे हौसी खेळाडू आहेत म्हणजे सगळ्याच एजमध्ये हा खेळ खेळू शकतो सरांनी सांगितलं. आता त्याच्यासाठी आता आम्हाला पण प्रयत्न करावा लागणार आहे की वेळ काढून घ्यायला पाहिजे. सो खेळ थोडासा बघितलं मी, शेवटी फार मजा वाटली. असं वाटतं सोपं आहे पण ते कोर्टमध्ये गेल्यावर किती डिफिकल्ट आहे ते लक्षात येतं. पण एकंदरीत गेम खूपच छान आहे आणि हा भविष्यामध्ये सगळ्या इतर गेमला मागे टाकणार नक्की. धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू सो मच सर. आणि तुमच्यासारख्या नेत्यांची आणि या खेळासाठी जे प्रेमी आहेत आणि या ज्या ठाण्या नगरीसाठी जे प्रेमी आहेत त्यांची जर आम्हाला साथ लागली तर नक्कीच हा गेम आणि इकडचे जे खेळाडू आहेत ते आणखी उच्चांक गाठतील. हॅलो. आणि ठाण्यातनं नक्की एक ना एक दिवस आपल्याला एक इंडिया प्लेअर घडवता येईल अशीच उम्मीद करतो. आणि पुढे जाऊया. लेट्स मूव्ह ऑन टू दी प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्युशन सेरेमनी. While we wanted to give all the prizes today, but in the interest of time, I think we'll stick to a few. Let's start with the open singles, and I'll request our young man, Raju sir, to please come up and give away the runners-up trophy as well as the cash prize. Let's hear it for Mr. Raju Mehta.
Let's go, Raju sir. Let's go.
Okay, the runner-up is somebody who keeps running everywhere, whether it's the court, whether it's his academies, whether it's to helping people organize tournaments. Let's hear it for Varun Mittal. So Varun, kya baat hai? And he, along with the trophy, he also gets a hefty cash prize of 3,000 rupees. So that is already been given to him and he's already spent it. And the winner in this category unfortunately is not here. Let's hear it for Vishal. Okay, we'll now move to the runners-up of the men's doubles. What a wonderful event it was. I was unfortunately not here, but I was catching all the action on my mobile. What a day, what a day. And I think the two young men showed us what aggression was. They showed us how to play the game a little differently. At the same time, make sure sometimes the day was good, the balls were hitting hard, they were going hard, sometimes they were hitting soft. So let's hear it for our runners-up, Mayank and Tushar Singh. And I request Deepak sir to please step up and give away the prizes. And let's hear it for them because they also bag home a hefty cash prize of 11,000 rupees. ये सुनने के बाद जो लाइव देख रहे हैं उन्होंने ऑलरेडी मैसेज कर दिया है कि भाई पार्टी कहाँ है. Before you go away, can I request Mayank and Tushar please join me for a moment? Please. एक कुछ रह गया देना आपको. Please come back. So how was your experience playing in Thane?
It was pretty good. I think courts were amazing over here and the competition was also good. So thank you for having this opportunity, giving us this opportunity to play over here. Thank you so much.
And thank you for coming and gracing this wonderful court, Pickle Adda. And how do you think was the competition? Any words on the young men standing in front of you who gave you a tough competition today?
It was the last minute pairing for Kunal Bare and his soldiers, so it was good. We defeated them in the group stage when somehow they managed to pull this out. So kudos to them.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Thank you so much. And hear it for the two young men. We are going to see them a lot on different podiums in Mumbai, in India, everywhere. All right. Before we proceed, I have somebody to call up. I think let's call up the Open Women's Doubles winner. I think one of them is here. Zuili, can you come here, please? So how was the tournament for you?
It was really nice. I feel it was well organized and it was quite energetic as well. So yeah, kudos to the organizers.
Alright, she doesn't believe in talking. I think her paddle does the talking normally. And before we go ahead, okay, let me also request Deepak sir and Pawar sir. And again, where's Raju sir? Raju sir, please join us. And can I request Ramesh sir also to join and Rupali ma'am also to join before we give away the finals prizes. And the winners, okay. Emma madam, can you please also join us? Come. And Jaika sir, if you can also join us. Thank you so much. Emma ma'am, please. Okay, let's hear it for all our dignitaries. Well, sometimes. So we have Mr. Mukesh from Mahindra Vehicles as well. All right. Sometimes accidents are good, and two accidents. I want to talk about two accidents. Okay, एक ही बारे में बात करते हैं. I think Kunal Bare and Aniket are known everywhere to be fantastic pairs. But unfortunately, Aniket is not here, and I think he's not. I think we wish his father the best. I think all of us here will want him to recover soon. But that's what sport is. Kunal didn't give it away. He started looking for partners. A lot of phone calls were made, and thankfully I didn't answer. Otherwise, the results would be different. But somebody did. Somebody who owns this adda. Okay, he was just waiting for 3 months on kind of a bed which was probably not meant where he was supposed to be. So let's hear it for Saujas. क्या बात है, कमबैक करो तो ऐसा करो कि पोस्टर फाड़ के बाहर आ जाओ. But then every time he was moving around, every time he was jumping, सबका हार्ट बीट बढ़ रहा था. I think सबसे ज़्यादा पवार सर का बढ़ रहा था, और वो शायद कुछ देर के लिए मैच भी नहीं देख रहे थे, दूर चले गए थे. सर हम देख पा रहे थे सब, right? So let's hear it for the winners, Saujas Pawar and Kunal Bare. They lost a few matches in the group stages, लेकिन हार के जीतने वाले को ही बाजीगर कहते हैं. लेकिन आजकल थोड़ा चेंज कर देते हैं, हार के जीतने वाले को धुरंधर कहते हैं. And the biggest trophy in the house goes to the winners of the advanced category, Kunal and Saujas. And along with the lovely trophy, they have a cash prize of 22,000 rupees. Once again, the biggest that is seen on a pickleball court in a local tournament. Obviously, Court Mafia is no longer a local tournament. Well, before we move ahead and close the ceremony, I'll request Kunal to please join me. Kunal, आपने बहुत जगह खेला है. You have played everywhere. You now have your own courts as well. How do you feel playing in Court Mafia was?
Tournament was fantastic. Thanks to Chirag and all team. मी तर घरी जात होतो. पण चिराग थँक्यू आणि सोजर्स. म्हणजे फर्स्ट मॅच तर आम्ही कुत्र्यासारखे आलो. पण त्याच्यानंतर जो आम्ही खेळलो, हॅट्स ऑफ सोजर्स, हॅट्स ऑफ.
And Saujas, and before you speak, उसको लगा मैं उसके पैर पड़ रहा हूँ. कैसा लग रहा है?
I mean, yeah, it feels great, yeah. I mean, it's been a journey. I mean, I will take some 2 minutes of yours. I broke my fibular bone while playing pickleball, and it's been, I was on the bed, and all the pickleball Thane community, all the members of pickleball Thane community came home, checking up on me always. How are you doing? They were coming home, having drinks, just to entertain me and stuff. And I would like to thank protein shakes. I mean, things is very nice. But yeah, I would like to say thank you to my father for always believing me and supporting me always. Sorry guys, I'm getting a little emotional now. And thanks to Kunal for picking me, and thanks to Code Mafia team, thanks to Prince and all the people cheering me from outside, calling me every day, asking me कधी येतोयस आपण खेळूया कधी खेळायचं. Thank you so much guys. It's been a journey. It's been surreal. I'm short of words to be honest. Thank you so much.
क्या बात है? Thank you so much, Ojas. I think it was very, very befitting that what broke here on this very court on 27th of Jan or 26th of Jan, exactly at 10 o'clock, and we are here on 12th of April. It's very befitting that it has again fitted back, and we wish you a big journey ahead. Thank you so much, Ojas, for this experience, and thank you so much everyone. I think it has been a fantastic 3 days. I think it was Code Mafia 2.0 couldn't have been any successful without each and every player, each and every partner, each and every person who was here, clapping, cheering, winning, losing, crying, shouting. All the emotions were there. So thank you so much. And one promise on behalf of Chirag, Yash and Nishant, Code Mafia 3.0 is going to be bigger, even bigger and better. Thank you so much. See you again in the next event.